In an era where the quest for optimal health has transcended mere diet and exercise to include a myriad of dietary supplements, the question arises: are you enhancing your health or merely enriching the pockets of supplement manufacturers? Surveys suggest nearly 77% of Americans are popping pills or powders in pursuit of better health, bolstered immunity, or a buffer against dietary deficiencies. Yet, the swirling vortex of myths, marketing, and genuinely science-backed benefits creates a fog over the true value of these supplements. As we dive into the world of vitamins, minerals, and herbal concoctions, it is pivotal to steer through this haze with informed precision and a skeptical eye. Imagine standing in the vast and overwhelming aisle of a health store, bombarded with claims of supercharged results and natural cures. Your hand hovers between a bottle labeled immune booster and another promising age-defying antioxidants. How do you make a choice that truly benefits your health without falling prey to marketing gimmicks, or worse, risking your health? This essay unfolds the layers of selecting and using nutritional supplements judiciously in a way that supports and sustains well-being rather than jeopardizing it. Nutritional supplements, often simply called supplements, encompass a broad range of products designed to complement your diet. They are not intended to substitute for food, but rather to fill nutritional gaps. This crucial distinction helps to understand that while supplements can contribute positively to health management, they are not miracle solutions. When navigating the multitude of options available in the market, it's crucial to identify what each type of supplement offers, such as vitamins, minerals, herbs, and other substances like amino acids or fatty acids. The predominant aim is to enhance dietary intake and manage specific health conditions under professional guidance. Supplements come with their share of guidelines and regulations, which are not as stringent as those for prescription medications. This reality mandates a cautious approach by consumers to delve into reputable sources and select products backed by credible scientific research. Food, in its natural and whole form, is the optimal source for nutrients. It provides vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other health-promoting substances. Supplements should not be the first recourse. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins should always take precedence. Supplements serve to augment, not replace, the nourishment received from food. Sometimes, though, dietary restrictions, health conditions, or increased nutritional needs, like those due to pregnancy or aging, necessitate supplements. Here, the goal is not to supplement the diet, but to ensure nutritional completeness. Understanding this complementary role enriches the approach toward dietary supplements, steering users away from overdependence and toward a balanced diet supplemented where necessary. Before adding any supplement to your regimen, a critical first step is assessing the actual need for it. This process involves reviewing dietary habits, lifestyle, and possibly consulting with a healthcare provider for nutrient deficiency tests. An imbalanced diet, certain health conditions, or even life stages, like pregnancy, could signal the need for supplements. However, indiscriminate supplementation without understanding the specific body requirements can lead to nutrient imbalances and health issues. The evaluation should be informed, balanced, and personalized, taking into account individual health conditions, dietary intake, and lifestyle factors. Only then can supplementation serve its proper role as a health enhancer. Scientific research plays a pivotal role in validating the efficacy and safety of supplements. It's important to rely on evidence-based information rather than anecdotal evidence or convincing marketing strategies. Substantial scientific inquiry into vitamins, minerals, and herbal supplements helps clarify their benefits, recommended dosages, and potential risks. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids are well studied for their role in heart health and cognitive function. Such supplements, when chosen based on solid research findings, can be a valuable addition to dietary strategies aimed at managing specific health conditions. The infusion of rigorous science into the selection of supplements is non-negotiable for those seeking to make informed health choices. Vitamins are fundamental to maintaining health, supporting everything from vision and skin health to the immune system and wound healing. However, the body's requirement for these nutrients is precise. More is not necessarily better, and excessive intake, particularly of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, can lead to toxicity and serious health problems. Understanding the balance and dosage is crucial. For instance, while vitamin D is essential for bone health, its excessive intake can cause calcification of arteries. Consumers should seek guidance on appropriate dosages and consider their dietary intake of these nutrients to avoid unnecessary supplementation. The nuanced approach to vitamins shows that while they are indispensable, they require careful consideration regarding the necessity and quantity of supplementation. Minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and zinc play critical roles in bodily functions, from bone health and muscle function to immune response and wound healing. Unlike vitamins, minerals are inorganic and hold on to their chemical structure, making them stable and generally safe at recommended doses. One should not underestimate the importance of understanding the specific roles and interactions of different minerals. For example, high doses of zinc can interfere with copper absorption, highlighting the need for balanced supplementation. It is essential to evaluate dietary sources first and supplement only as needed, under the guidance of healthcare professionals. This part of the supplement spectrum underscores the importance of strategic and informed supplementation, reflecting a broader understanding of how minerals interact within the body.
Herbal supplements often come with the allure of being natural, but this does not necessarily equate to being safe or effective. Herbs like St. John's wort, ginkgo biloba, and echinacea have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. However, their effects and safety profiles require careful consideration and research. While some herbs have strong evidence supporting their benefits, others might interact negatively with prescription medications or offer inconsistent results. The key is to approach herbal supplements with the same rigor as any other health product, seeking evidence-based advice and being aware of potential interactions. This exploration into herbal supplements serves as a reminder that natural doesn't always mean safe, and informed choices are critical in this complex field. The supplement industry is vast and not uniformly regulated, leading to significant variations in the quality and content of products. Choosing a reputable brand that provides proof of third-party testing and adherence to manufacturing standards is crucial to ensure safety and efficacy. Look for certifications from organizations like the U.S. Pharmacopoeia, USP, NSF International, or Consumer Lab, which indicate that the products have been rigorously tested for quality and purity. This step is essential to avoid contaminants and to ensure that the product contains what it claims to. Prioritizing quality over quantity can prevent many issues associated with poor quality supplements and ensure that the supplements used are beneficial and not detrimental to health. While supplements can fill dietary gaps, their overuse can lead to serious health issues, including nutrient imbalances and toxicity. Fat-soluble vitamins, for instance, can accumulate in the body and cause toxicity if taken excessively. Similarly, excessive intake of minerals like iron can lead to oxidative damage and other serious health concerns. Understanding the limits and adhering to recommended dosages is crucial. It's important to monitor one's health and consult regularly with healthcare professionals, especially when taking multiple supplements or when dealing with health conditions that might influence nutrient metabolism. This section underscores the importance of moderation, and the potential dangers of indiscriminate supplement use, advocating for a cautious and informed approach.
Children and supplements. Special considerations. Children are not small adults and have unique nutritional needs and vulnerabilities. The decision to supplement should be made with careful consideration and under professional guidance. Over-the-counter multivitamins are not universally recommended for all children, and in some cases could lead to nutrient excesses. Pediatric supplementation should focus on specific deficiencies identified by a healthcare provider rather than broad-spectrum supplementation. Ensuring a balanced diet is usually preferable for meeting the nutritional needs of most children. This part highlights the special considerations needed when dealing with pediatric supplementation, stressing the importance of targeted and cautious supplementation strategies. Before starting any supplement, consultation with a healthcare professional is indispensable. They can provide personalized advice based on individual health assessment, medical history, and current medications. This step ensures safe and effective use of supplements, avoiding unnecessary risks and maximizing health benefits. It also provides an opportunity to discuss any potential interactions with medications or other supplements. The guidance from healthcare professionals is invaluable in navigating the complex landscape of dietary supplements, ensuring that the choices made are informed and beneficial. To conclude, smart supplementation is about making informed, thoughtful decisions regarding the use of dietary supplements. It involves understanding the role of diet first, assessing personal health needs, choosing quality products, and consulting with healthcare professionals. By adhering to these strategies, individuals can make wise choices about supplements, using them to effectively and safely enhance health, rather than as quick-fix solutions to deeper dietary or health issues. This comprehensive approach ensures that supplements play their rightful role in health management, complementing dietary strategies and contributing to overall well-being, rather than substituting for foundational health practices. In an era where the quest for optimal health has transcended mere diet and exercise to include a myriad of dietary supplements, the question arises: are you enhancing your health or merely enriching the pockets of supplement manufacturers? Surveys suggest nearly 77% of Americans are popping pills or powders in pursuit of better health, bolstered immunity, or a buffer against dietary deficiencies. Yet, the swirling vortex of myths, marketing, and genuinely science-backed benefits creates a fog over the true value of these supplements. As we dive into the world of vitamins, minerals, and herbal concoctions, it is pivotal to steer through this haze with informed precision and a skeptical eye. Imagine standing in the vast and overwhelming aisle of a health store, bombarded with claims of supercharged results and natural cures. Your hand hovers between a bottle labeled Immune Booster and another promising age-defying antioxidants. How do you make a choice that truly benefits your health without falling prey to marketing gimmicks, or worse, risking your health? This essay unfolds the layers of selecting and using nutritional supplements judiciously in a way that supports and sustains well-being rather than jeopardizing it.